127 new devices connect to the internet every second. Yeah, that's right. It might sound less. However, a report from the McKinsey Global Institute estimates that the IOT could have an annual economic impact of $3.9 trillion to $11.1 trillion by 2025 across many different settings, including factories, cities, retail environments, and the human body. Machine learning, robotics, and AI are influencing every single techie's discussions. The more devices we connect to internet, the more challenges it creates. Now, what does that mean to the economy? How about the job market? Do we have enough human capital trained enough to jumpstart in the most complex environments? What about security and privacy? Okay, and how about the impact on energy sector would look like in 2025? What kind of impact it creates in the global warming? Guess what? We also had these questions. So, we invited the industry-specific experts and leaders to learn and understand their views. We captured the answers and have shared it to the world. Are you interested to learn their point of views? If your answer is yes, then listen and provide the necessary comments, and whether you agree or disagree with them. We look forward to hearing from you.